one of the biggest brokers in the industry. Ultimately, discount to premium. To be honest, I thought I almost lost an account with Day one.
I keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you.
Happy Monday. I'm very excited to get into this week in the life of a trader here in the Philippines. Starting each morning this week, I'll be doing Muay Thai. I've been so inconsistent doing this, so don't let this video fool you as if I've been doing Muay Thai every single day. I'm just trying to prove myself that I still got it. In about 45 minutes, we have London Open, so I'm actually going to film a little cheeky forecast for Life Club. I'll put it up on here as well. Strong fat rejection here at this sell side level, anticipating just based off of the previous candle that price may push to the upside and continue sort of this bullish market structure. Now, as for the daily, I've had this range for a while now. Remember this pause that I was just saying, guys, be patient. These things happen where price will eventually push out of that range, and we've ended up in deep discount between. So as I'm anticipating is price to creep back up to the upside. You'll see what I mean on the 4-hour, but you can definitely tell we're at great areas of reversal. As for the sell side level, we've tapped it once and twice. You'll see it more clearly on the 4-hour. Let's jump on that time frame. I've got premium discount midpoint over here. We are just making our way up slowly, not the cleanest fashion in terms of market structure pushing up. It's a bit corrective. Areas to target is obviously these highs, big FVG, the midpoint of the FVG, and we can even refine that on lower time frame. Ultimately, discount to premium. And of course, stay neutral. If price does decide to push down with some news that's going to be coming out this week, then we might be testing the lows down here. And of course, there's also sell side lower down.
I will hold on to you no matter what comes.
We've got groceries again for the kids.
I will hold on to you no matter what comes. No night can last forever, no storm will tear us apart.
Go.
This is day 2. So at some point last week, I was playing around on TradingView and I was checking out the trading terminal section, and I came across in the broker section IC markets, but it was still in beta. So I thought that was really cool. At first I thought I was really late and that this was always a thing, but then later on I was trying to log into my IC markets account. I saw on the homepage, which I'll show you from my phone, that it's legit, that their broker is now connected to TradingView. So that's pretty cool. In order to trade through TradingView, you've got to have a C-Trader account. Speaking of C-Trader, there's been a lot of news and stuff like that to do with trading terminals such as MT4, MT5, US clients, and some brokers like Purple Trading, where they'll no longer be going forward with MT4, MT5 services as of, was it yesterday? Yeah, Monday the 12th of Feb. Now, I'll be honest, I thought I almost lost an account with Funded Engineer, but it seems like things are kind of moving forward in a good way. If you guys don't know about Funded Engineer, basically there was a whole hoo-hoo ha-ha where their services kind of was paused or frozen, and a lot of people became fear-based because they thought they had lost their accounts and stuff like that. I think the main issue was fraud allegations, just negative stuff. There's similar things to like my Forex funds, but I don't want to dwell on this too much because these are things we can't control. Do I get fear or do I get like negative vibes from the prop firm industry? I think again, the ones that are dishonest, fraud allegations, not doing the right thing, maybe not trading with their own ecosystem, then obviously they're in trouble. And now there's a lot of prop firms that are going in-house tech. Obviously the reliable prop firms such as FTMO, you've got the Fivers. I think those are the big names in the prop firm industry that have in-house tech that so far seem to be following the regulations, and that's what's really important, right? But look, at the end of the day, focus on what you can control, not what you can't control, and be smart from now. Not when you start making money, be smart now. So that means you should still be investing in yourself, your knowledge, your skills, and most importantly, your personal account. so cringe. I'm such a cringe content creator. Happy Wednesday. My body is honestly feeling Muay Thai. It's day 3 today. And honestly, why am I doing this is because I was actually inspired by Casey Neistat's one of his most recent videos. A fellow Life Club member shared it. You know what was funny is that I was actually thinking about challenging myself this week, and I had the idea of doing Muay Thai every day, getting the coach to come here, and then I watched the video and I was just like, if I'm looking for a sign, I guess I'm gonna take this sign and go for it. So yeah, today did Muay Thai 3 out of 5. We're at day 3. And then I also went straight into a Life Club call. So catching up with a couple members, few members from the west side of the world. And how is Muay Thai going? It's actually going very well. You know what's difficult is always the build up or the lead up to it. But the moment you start getting momentum, it just kind of becomes easier to just do it. Whether it's starting a challenge or posting on social media that you're gonna do this, or telling close people that, hey, can you hold me accountable? I wanna, I don't know, start Muay Thai or start running. Sometimes it's just that, just a little spark to just get yourself going. And this can be applied to, you know, fitness, and it can also be applied to trading. You know, the moment you just start committing to learning some content or sticking to your processes, your forecasting, your trade journaling, the build-up may suck towards it, but then it's like when you're doing it, it's fine. And when you've done it, it's like the fulfillment and that satisfaction feels so much better. And you just hold on to that more and more and more, the more days you're going through it and you're actually going for it and doing it.
I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry?
Day 4. This week has just been the deadest trading week for me. Like, I don't even know why I decided to film my week. Like, why did I choose this week? Like, why did this week have to be so dead? Why didn't I pick last week where I was literally trading, like my biggest trading week of the year? But yeah, this trading week, very dry. We have had CPI, PPI, so am I even a trader at this point? I feel like the comments are going to be like, oh, are you even a trader if you're not showing us all your live trades? At this point, I just don't really care because I've shown my journey. I am not optimizing for channel growth at this point. I'm just documenting my life, and you know, there's going to be moments where it's going to be popping off. There's going to be moments when it's a bit dry. At least masarap yung hangin. But look, sometimes progress ain't always going to be measured in the amount of profit you're making, your P&L, your pips, your percentages. Sometimes it's just sticking to your plan. Are you still doing your systems and processes, even if it's dry, even if you ain't getting the kick of dopamine that you're making money, you're losing money, you're in the market? That's progress in itself. So this is kind of random, but I'm curious to see what you guys think about Owanda, one of the biggest brokers in the industry. I think actually it's voted the most popular broker. Not too sure. I might have just seen it somewhere. They're having a little go at the prop firm, the whole prop firm thing. So that could be a big thing, because a broker this big wouldn't want to risk their reputation going into the prop firm industry if they weren't sure. I think there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, doubt, of course, maybe on social media or people just talking about prop firms. But, you know, I think it's quite cool to see Oanda having a go at the whole prop firm thing. So that's quite good news in my opinion. So I'm currently just checking the market real quick, and you know, I could say AU M15, we've got the break of market structure retesting into the fair value gap. Can you all kind of see that? Zoom out. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Here's the 4 hour, smack bang in the middle of that fair value gap. Do I really want to be saying, oh, this is gonna head to the downside, you know? This is definitely risk entry. This is not in my plan to take as a high probability trade. So it's just one of those things that I like to observe and watch, but I'm not gonna be putting my monies and pennies into this.
Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings.
A 5 out of 5.
Baby, I'm just too tired. You don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
Okay, thank you.
The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see